what came out.
Call me when you get home. I need to hear your voice on the phone. How do I explain? I'm tired of all that I am, and I'm trying to cope when I can. And my friends say I don't know who I am. Lord knows I've tried to feel like I'm alive. Is it worse to be by myself, or will I melt away? This is the part of the song where there's a guitar solo, but I'm playing piano right now, so there's no guitar solo this time. At some point it'll get to the next part of the song, but I could just